giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the show. We're riding in a wonderland of snow. Giddy up, it's fun. Just holding your hand. We're riding along with a song as a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy, so we're cuddled up together like fleas on a doggy with me.
So the motor and the gearbox are in a different housing now because the one that they're in, the spinning knob, rubs on that top part and the bottom part, which just is completely snapped off. So it would only try to lean one way, and then this part's broken, so I'd replace that part too. And the part this part, it was a little bit too tall, so it's kind of not right, and I had to put this piece from it so it doesn't slide off, but it kind of works. The arms are supposed to move, and the arms, these little pieces right here, don't have anything to connect to, so they don't really move, but that's fine. And it's also supposed to rotate back and forth here. I can't get that to work for the life of me, so it rocks back and forth and bobs up and down, and it still has this movement, which is good enough for me. Yeah, that's kind of it.